Today I have a Dior makeup unboxing, and I did order this a while back because I was so scared it will sell out. I'm sorry if my bedroom's a mess right now. I'm filming so much in one go. I have this Dior box right here. It came in the mail. Sadly, it was actually left outside for so long that the rain actually got inside and it did make the box really wet. But when I checked inside really quickly, it was still okay, but it's still a little bit wet. Sometimes these things happen. So let's get into it. And this is from the Christmas collection. I'm so excited for the Christmas collection every year because it's always so beautiful. So here we are. So we have the unboxing. And we have the CD here. And we just unveil that. And here we have the Dior Rouge Golden Nights. So this is the lipstick collection with the bag that comes with it. I've been hesitant to get this every year. There was one from 2 years ago which was called Midnight Wish, and I couldn't get hold of that one, and I was so disappointed because it just was sold out everywhere. And then the following year it was the Happy 2020, but then it looks like this. So I didn't buy the lipstick set, but I did buy this, and it does look like this with the pattern and this fireworks. But I thought as a clutch it wasn't as eye-catching for me. But then this year I thought this one was very, very cute, and I love this so much. So I had to get it. I ordered it online straight away and it turned up in the mail, and here we are. So here we have the box inside. This is stunning. So it's protected in the box like that. And then here we have the Dior lipstick case. And if you stay till later in this video, I'll actually teach you how to turn this into a clutch bag, and it will be the cheapest Dior bag that you'll ever have to purchase or own. And it's just stunning. Oh my goodness. So it's got the Dior in the metal hardware here, and also these CDs and stars, they are also in the metal. And then this snowflake is a print of gold on here, and it's got the Dior zipper here. And once you open it, it has a huge mirror and the 5 lipsticks with the main case here. So you can actually change the lipstick for any one of these, and these are all really pretty. So it comes with 999, which is their famous lipstick shade. And the beautiful thing about this is that there are snowflakes across the whole thing, and also at the top it has the CD there. So 999 is just a classic red that it just works so well with everything. This one is in 988. It's a slightly more plum tone. It's like a pinky, darker red. I don't want to swatch these yet because they're so pretty to use. And then this one is more of a nude, and it's called 481. So it looks like that. So pretty. And this one is also like a pale shade, but it's more of a pink tone. This one is called 458. So beautiful. This is 772, and it's more of a neutral pink too. So it's super pretty. And I bought some extra hardware so that I can turn this into a clutch bag. and you can just wear this on your shoulder and then enjoy your nights out. This was about £130, I think, and it will be the cheapest Dior bag we will ever have to buy. So really worth it, especially with what I'm gonna do to it. So you can actually attach these hooks onto it. You can attach a strap to it, and then it can become a shoulder bag. Then in the box there are two little minis. So there's also like a mini pouch here. The Dior Forever foundation, and I picked the shade in 1 Neutral. It's in the box like that. So I already used this, so this is good for traveling. And then I got 2 perfumes. One is Miss Dior and the other one is Jadiot. I love keeping this in my purse so that I can just spritz at any time. And then I got one last mini, and this is the Dior Prestige La Creme. And this is a very luxurious cream. Even the miniature looks so luxurious. So it looks like that. I don't know whether I'll ever buy the full size because this line is really expensive, but at least I can try a mini version. So that's everything I got in Dior, and the rest is just folded up tissue paper just to protect, which it did and soaked up the rain. The delivery guy should have put it somewhere even safer, but nonetheless it came well. At least it was packaged well enough so that this is protected well, and I love this so much. So let's get into teaching you how to make this into a shoulder bag. I'm going to convert this into a shoulder strap bag, and this is by attaching some hooks onto here, so then you can pin your bag strap onto there. So I did buy this kit on AliExpress, and it comes with the bar, the hole puncher, screwdriver, I think this is oil. You've got like a tape to measure where to punch the hole, and then you've got the rings where your bag hooks will be. And it also came with a choice of bag straps, and I chose this one because I wanted to match the bright gold hardware. Looks a bit Chanel-esque, and then it's funny that it comes with the CD logos on here. So let's just remove these. So then you're left with this blank canvas, and then you take this block and then you can insert it here, and this will protect and make sure that the hole punch doesn't stray away. And here is the measurement where you can place it onto the top, and it fits exactly, and then it's just like that, so you can see where the hole should be, and it fits exactly in that corner with this set. And then you take the hole puncher and you apply it to the top where it should be, and then you should start to hammer this down. You can see that it's made the hole through here, and you're just going to take that out. Let's see how we can fit these in. So these are the hooks, and you can have these that go through at the bottom. It goes in like that. and then all you have to do is screw the top. One of them. Let's move on to the next one. So now we have the two top parts of the back, and as you can see inside, it's where it's screwed in. And now we can attach the bag strap. So here's my bag strap, beautiful, and I'm gonna attach one here and one here. And there we have it, a beautiful shoulder bag, and it's pretty sturdy as well, so because you screwed it in well, then it should all be fine. And I'm sure you can find other straps that you can add onto here so you can mix and match them, but I have this one for now and I'm really loving it. So here we are. So hope you enjoyed this, and show me if you tried this as well. And I hope you are all having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you soon. So if you liked today's video, then please do press a good like. If you want more content where I talk about beauty, skincare, fashion, then please do subscribe. And if you ever want to message me about anything, then please do send me a DM in my Instagram at Chic. And I give you all of my hugs and my love. Bye!